This is really insane, Adobe Firefly Generative AI. See how amazing is the transition. See how insane is the transition. Using Generative Fill AI, train UFO, alien shade of sun. Let's start. Let's have intro. It's two-step process. First, an image using text, and second is use that image for Generative AI Fill. Search Adobe Firefly, click on first link, Adobe Firefly. Click on Explore Firefly. Sign in using Google account login. See, you can hear many things like text to image, generative AI, text effect, etc. First, we need to focus on text to image. First, click on text to image and accept everything. Click next, next, next. Write a beautiful prompt. I wrote Space View Solar System Cinematic Tone. Realistic View Star Universe Planets. This is really insane, Adobe Firefly Generative AI. Click on Download and continue. I want to add Iron Man flying or an alien. Let's add it first. Select area. See how nicely it is placed on correct? Now you can select variation and move to the next part. Now add sun on the planet and let's see the result again. Select the area. Now I want to add a running train and write prompt and see the result again. Select the area. How can put anything depending on your thoughts? See how insane red-colored train is looking? It's very interesting. Even you can try this. Let's move to next prompt. But till hit subscribe button, like and share with your friends. Here, put UFO and spaceship and see how the transition is from previous image. Click on download and see how insane it is looking. Part 2 is coming on Adobe Photoshop Generative AI Fill using software. Till then, take care. See you in next video.